Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. What a shandat Inus finish for Team India. India have won the first test against Sri Lanka by a massive 165 runs in Gala. India dominated this match from the very beginning. Batting first, India put up a huge total of 462 runs, putting Sri Lanka under serious pressure. Sri Lanka fought back with the bat and managed to score 284 runs in their first innings. But India kept control of the game and came back strongly. Showed their batting strength, scoring 193 runs and setting Sri Lanka a challenging target. Now came the crucial moment of the match. Sri Lanka needed a big effort to chase down the target, but India's bowling attack was simply too strong. The Indian bowlers kept taking important wickets and never allowed Sri Lanka to build the momentum they needed. Sri Lanka were eventually bowled out for 206 runs, and that was the moment India sealed a shandat 165-run victory. Sri Lanka showed plenty of fighting spirit, but India remained one step ahead when it mattered most. So that's the story of the first test, India victorious by 165 runs. Stay tuned for all the major moments, wickets, boundaries, and celebrations from this exciting India versus Sri Lanka test match. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more cricket